Let's cut 3 big slits on both sides.
One, two, three. So now let's season our fish on both sides with salt, make sure to season inside too, and black pepper on both sides as well. And inside. Now that our fish is nicely seasoned, let's beat our egg. I'm using 1 egg. Pour it to our fish and rub it. Okay.
Let's rub and coat our fish with flour.
Fry our fish and just make sure that your cooking oil is really hot. We fry our fish until it's brown and crispy. We flip our fish and cook the other side. Wow, look at that. Nice and crispy. Set aside our fish. Using another pan, let's saute our ginger, our onions, now we are making our sweet and sour sauce. Let's add our scallions, now let's add our tomato sauce, our water, our soy sauce, black pepper, and our strawberry jam. This is our sweetener. Instead of sugar, I'm using strawberry jam. Let this come to a boil. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to separate our onions, scallions, and the ginger from the sauce. Let's set this aside. Let's quickly put together a slurry. It's a mixture of water and flour. This is gonna be our thickener. Let's add our vinegar, slurry, and we just mix it nicely, continuously until it's thickened.
Just taste first before adding more salt if needed.
This is it, guys. It's ready to serve. This is it, guys. It's very easy and simple. Thank you for watching and have a great day.